Hi, I'm Courtney with the Great Smoky Mountains Association, and this film is about the National Parks program to protect the population of eastern hemlock trees from being decimated by a non-native insect called the hemlock woolly adelgid. Great Smoky Mountains National Park has the largest hemlocks in both height and volume found anywhere in the United States, and it also has the greatest percentage of old-growth hemlocks of any national park.
The eastern hemlock is important to the park's ecosystems because it is the only tree that is evergreen and is very shade tolerant and can persist both in the understory and the overstory. The eastern hemlock moderates stream temperatures. That means they're cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, and that increases the biodiversity of the aquatic invertebrates, which provide food for many fish and other species of organisms.
This is a healthy hemlock branch with lots of lush green needles. But you can tell when the tree becomes infested with adelgids because white cottony balls form around the needles. That's where woolly in hemlock woolly adelgid comes from. Adelgids kill the hemlock trees by both sucking the sap out of the needles and also by releasing a chemical into the tree which kills the needles, effectively starving the tree to death.
Initially, we were hoping that the infestations were just isolated and we could go in there and treat with insecticidal soap and systemic insecticides and maybe stave off the wide-scale infestation for a little while. Unfortunately, what we found is that over the years that the infestation was in multiple spots, and it was probably in the park before 2002, maybe in the year 2000 or 1999. And by 2006, we identified HWA in every major watershed in the park. And by 2008, it's rare that we find a tree that's not infested.